week is literally Christmas, and I have not felt any type of holiday cheer, any type of Christmas spirit. I haven't felt any of it. And the same thing happened last year. Like, Christmas came and it went and it happened, and that was that. It was nothing special. So today, on this fine Sunday, I'm dedicating my day to Christmassy, festive activities that will hopefully make me feel like it's Christmas. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, obviously, get a holiday drink. I'm gonna try to get at least 2 Instagram pictures today. I have to go to the mall really quickly to get some last minute Christmas shopping done. And by last minute Christmas shopping, I mean literally all of my Christmas shopping. And then my mom and I are going to decorate Christmas cookies at some point today, and I'll bring you with for that. And then finally, me and my best friend are going to a little ice skating coffee, like, I don't know. We're just going ice skating at this like cute little plaza thing. So today should be fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, you guys, I just drove around for like 15 minutes trying to find a spot to take an Instagram picture. It's hard because like the snow was gorgeous yesterday, and like if you live where it snows, you know that the snow is only pretty for like one day and then it gets all like dirty and stuff. So I tried to like find evergreen trees that had like snow on it, but like a lot of it's melted. I'm on this street now though that's just like woods. So I think I'm going to take a picture like just sitting in my car and see how it looks with the window like that. Okay, to be honest, it looks kind of ugly sitting in my car, and these people are all so confused what I'm doing. Oh my god, I probably look sitting in my car, it's kind of dumb, but I'm gonna try it, see how they look. Okay guys, I got my ham and cheese croissant. This is what I get pretty much every time I come here, food-wise. And then I just got a peppermint mocha. If you guys want me to be honest, I do not want to go to the mall at all. I don't even know what I could get people. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna get people, which sounds ridiculous. Like, Christmas is literally, what day is it? Oh my god, Christmas is so soon. This is so good. All right, I made it to the mall, and only my dumb comes to actually no, because what I'm about to say will prove what I just said wrong. Okay, I was gonna say only my dumb would go to the mall literally 4 days before Christmas, but that's not true because the entire population of my city also decided to wait. The parking lot is literally just as packed as it was on Black Friday. And Black Friday, it took me 30 minutes just to get out of the parking lot after me and my brother were done shopping. This is crazy. I'm not gonna bring my camera in because I just want to go in, get out, but I will vlog on my phone as much as I can. Y'all know the drill though with my social anxiety. The mall is probably top 2 worst places that I can film. Alright, I got what I needed to, I think. Now I'm like pretty much done with all my Christmas shopping. I do need to run to a few more places later this week, but the place isn't open today or tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to do it like literally right before Christmas. I got 1 video clip in there. Bro, I'm so sorry, but like I was not. Like, everything I got for the most part was gifts for people, so I'm not gonna show them because they might be watching this video and that would be awkward. But I got this hat for myself. I thought it was really cute. It's kind of like a light pink. It's just a little Carhartt hat. I don't really own hats or like wear hats, but I figured it would be like nice to have like a cute one like this. I also lose my gloves and my mittens and my hats so often. Like, I swear I just bought like a super expensive nice pair of mittens last year. I don't know where they're at, so that's bogus. So me and my mom were supposed to decorate Christmas cookies like a week ago, and I ended up getting sick and I didn't feel up to it, so we kept putting it off, and I was like, let's do it this weekend, and she was down with the idea, and now she's saying that she's gonna let me know. You're gonna let me know. She says that she might have plans tonight, so we might not do cookies tonight, but me and Ryan are still gonna go ice skating, and I'm so terrified because it is literally like the coldest day of the year so far. So it's dumb. I do need to run to Ulta. All right, I made it to Ulta. Oh, it's so cold out. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I made it home. I'm gonna do a little Ulta haul for you because I got some things for myself on accident. That wasn't a plan, but it happened. It happened and there's no going back. I had a 20% off coupon and my total ended up being $129.13. So I got the Supergoop Mineral Matte Screen. I don't know why I decided to get this, to be honest. I mean, I've been wanting one of the Supergoop like sunscreen products for a while now, just because I thought it would be fun for there to be like pigment, because I think this one has, I don't want to open it, but I'm pretty sure that this one is like tinted. I thought I was getting the little one and I got the full size, so I hope I like it. This was $38, but I got it for $30 since I had the coupon, so I guess that's kind of a good deal. Okay, and then I got this product. This is the Clean It Zero 3-in-1 cleansing balm, just the original one. I've actually never tried a cleansing balm. Okay, and then I got this Drunk Elephant set. It's called The Littles. It comes with 6 little mini products. It comes with the jelly cleanser, the glycolic night serum, the virgin marula luxury facial oil, the daily SPF, the polypeptide cream, the fresh day serum, and that's it. I don't know, I just thought that this was cute and it's like a good way to be able to try like all of the products without completely breaking the bank. Lastly, I got my Tanologist medium face drop things. This is my current bottle and if you can see, it's almost out, so I needed to get a new one. Okay, that's everything that I got. I think that I'm going to get some work done really quickly. It's currently 3:13. The ice skating rink that me and Ryan are going to closes at 6 and I assume we'll probably go around like 4:30. She's busy with her family right now, so whenever she's done, we're gonna go. I edited for a little bit and then I just went downstairs and I had some pasta. I came up here and I changed. This is my cute, comfy, cozy outfit of choice. The black tank top is from Princess Polly. The leggings are from Lulu. This little Sherpa button up is from American Eagle, I believe. And then the hat is, it's from Shields. I got it last year, but I don't know what the brand of it is. But it's literally freezing out, so I'm gonna be wearing my big Columbia parka as well over this. Okay, bye guys. Bye. See you next time.
We're
gonna be here for 10 minutes.
I wear my Uggs. So I'm not on the mini Ugg grind yet. You guys know that's on my Christmas list. You watched the last video, so that's why I got these.
It is so cold. It's literally freezing.
These little kids are cruising low key, bro. She's paying for me. Lily's my sugar mommy. You can pay for my dinner too.
Okay, thank you. Do you have half sizes? Give Ryan these nice. Oh, these are cute. I thought the 8 was too small. Oh, this is the 8. My fingers are gonna pop. We picked the coldest day of the year. Careful, Dino. There's a camera there.
What? Oh.
There's not a camera there.
Damn, boy, he's sick, boy! She knows.
Bro, it is so cold out. My fingers are already numb and we've been here for 3 minutes. Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't know how to do it. Wait, Ryan, how do you like? Oh wait, oh my god, this guy is going so fast. Oh! Okay. Okay, queen. This is so much harder than I remember. I haven't ice skated in like years, but I'm kind of killing it. I'm gonna eat. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, that's a cute little. Yeah. Hey guys, I can't even lie. We were here for 10 minutes. My hands are numb, and by numb, I don't mean just cold. I mean like I literally cannot feel my thumbs. Yeah, I could not untie my shoes. I don't know what's going on. We tried our best to do a fun Christmassy activity and I want to die. So, sorry, thank you. I almost got hit by a car. We're jaywalking. Dude, my fucking fingers aren't working. Brian, I can't feel my fingers. I'm not even lying. My fingers aren't working. Dude, I'm tweaking right now. Like, I can't feel this. I can't feel that. Guys, my fingers hurt so bad.
You can't even tell how red they are. They're so red.
I was tweaking. I thought I was losing feeling.
Why'd the flash just go off?
She looked at me and she was like, she can't feel my
or something's actually wrong.
I was reaching in the bag trying to grab my keys and I couldn't feel my keys, like with my hands. Like, you know how you can like detect stuff with your hand? I couldn't feel anything. I was tweaking. They hurt really bad. My fingers are feeling a lot better. They were completely numb. After that fun excursion, that fun activity, we're done. We're done.
We're over it, bro.
We were gonna go like sledding and like do some other
Maybe
stuff.
we'll do that like a different week when it's warmer.
Yeah, it's literally just, it's 10 degrees out. We're gonna go to a little local like pizzeria place and we're gonna get some food.
Hello,
Hi.
what's your question?
Do you guys have bruschetta there?
Bruschetta? No, we don't.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a 20-minute wait. We're just gonna wait because we're really not by anybody else. Oh my god, you love stroking. We're really not by anything else, so we're just gonna wait here. It smells so good in here, and it's like really cute and cozy. It kind of fits the whole vibe of our video. Like, look how fucking cute. I feel like I'm in someone's house though, so it's kind of creepy.
Yeah, it does, like a little like front like room that'd be like off the front door.
Got some breadsticks. Is it good?
It's very hot though.
It's literally 7:10. We've been here for an hour and we just got breadsticks, which I don't want to be like complaining because I think there's one waitress here and she's like also bartending, so I don't want to be like a bitch, but like
Also.
cheers. Oh, it's crispy.
I know. You know, it's supposed to be like soft.
You know what it kind of like reminds me of? It's like the outside is like a mozzarella stick. Like,
I know, that's what I taste too.
might be the marinara too, but
It's good.
good breadstick. Okay, the rest of our food came, or not. No, it didn't. Okay, some of it came. This is the bruschetta that got us here. I was looking for a restaurant that had this, and it looks great. She got chicken noodle and then our breadsticks. I got like a French dip sandwich with like the au jus French dip, and then I'm waiting on that. Oh my god.
Is it really yummy?
It's bussin'.
Really?
This is so good. I finally got my sandwich and I'm gonna try it. Oh.
It's good.
It's solid.
I destroyed mine stuff. Oh yeah, get the beef out of your teeth. Billy just keeps taking a bite and then she'll like throw it back on her plate.
It's like overflowing out of the bun.
Bye guys, love you.
Okay, hi queens. I am home now. I just dropped Ryan off and it's 8:35. I'm going to try my new cleansing balm, although I don't have that much makeup on and I have lash extensions, so I don't need to take off mascara, which to really test if a cleanser or a makeup remover is good, you kind of need to test it on like mascara to see like how good it does. So I'm not really going to be able to give like a full review on this product. Okay. Oh, this is like a really good size. It's like gravy. Okay, I just washed my hands because I was like eating greasy food with them and that's not good to put on your face. It comes with a little plastic tray that you can set in the top of it, which is really nice because then you can like keep your spatula with it and like clean and not in the product that much. I don't know. Oh, I feel like this will be really good for me because I have really dry skin and most makeup removers feel like they like strip your skin of moisture, but this is like almost really oily, but not in like a bad way, I would say. It feels very like moisturizing. It almost feels like I'm putting a face oil on. I'm really getting in there just to test it well. So the second that my hands hit the water, all of the oiliness went away. So I don't think it's like actual oil. I don't know how this is, like, I don't know how this works. This is incredible. This is incredible. My face feels so clean and super moisturized right now. So I'm gonna say this Vanilla Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm gets my stamp of approval. And then you can just take this little plastic thing, put it on the top, put the little spatula in there. Alrighty, I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair. I don't know, I'll talk to you in a little bit. I just got out of the shower, I did my skincare, and I put in all of my hair products and brushed my teeth, got ready for bed, everything like that. I think it's almost 10 o'clock now, and I'm just going to turn off my light, crawl into bed, and probably start editing this video, maybe? I don't know. But this is unfortunately going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Although my day didn't really go as planned, I intended on doing like more Christmassy things, but I still think it was a fun day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications. You guys can follow my other social medias. I've been literally so active on TikTok recently, and I keep talking about it, but it's because you guys are genuinely missing out not following me on TikTok. If you like me, you should follow me on TikTok because I swear I'm just like funnier over there. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.